Hello everybody, my name is Ulrik Foldager and I have been invited by George Etzel to speak at a virtual event called New Age of Cybersecurity. So in today's global markets, the concept of cybersecurity has become increasingly more important over the years. And therefore, as a manager or an executive or business owner, it is extremely important to have a complete overview over your organization, especially because technology evolves at a very high pace. In my line of work as a lead modeling architect, I use a tool called Enterprise Plus to document, structure, organize, and visualize how cybersecurity can be modeled and architected within any organization, from large-scale enterprises to smaller businesses and across any industry. By using Enterprise Plus, I will demonstrate how to work with cybersecurity aspects in a cutting-edge and practical hands-on tool. I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, November the 10th and on Thursday, November the 11th. Thank you and have a wonderful day.